Before we get started, what is Excel? Well, Excel is a spreadsheet software that helps you to analyze data, understand your data, understand the story behind your data. For example, at our Everbest stationery company, we store all our customer orders, HR, payroll, all this data in a Microsoft Excel file. And by using formulas, I can see which product sells the most. I can see the total sales achieved. By creating a chart, I can see that in quarter 3 we sold pencils the most, but in quarter 4 pencils dropped and we sold more pens. We can also see that pens are overall selling the least in the year 2025. With the pivot table, we will be able to analyze the compensation and the salary of the different roles, different positions, and within the different departments of our organization. And we'll also learn formulas and functions like VLOOKUP and XLOOK. We are going to look at all these topics and then learn them step by step. First, let's see how you can get Microsoft Excel.